The following tips emerged from my own research-informed teaching practice. First, you should be very familiar with the content area, inclusive of a wide range of supplemental materials that could be used upon need or demand by students. Secondly, be an effective time manager so that synchronous chat sessions, if used, could support active learning and constructive conversations that could enrich students' learning. Thirdly, identify course assignments that would rely on formative assessment strategies and be ready to clarify those choices to students if ever asked by them. Two more points to make. On the one hand, determine how grading is to be completed based on whether or not formative assessment is intended to refine student skills toward creating a major assignment, or there are smaller increments that could be counted toward the final grade. There are some critical skill sets that would be graded, that is. So there has to be a gradual progression from one assignment to the next, leading up to the final project or paper for the class. And finally, be an effective communicator with students, both in terms of the content and the structure of the course, in case there are questions about either of them. To that end, formative assessment could actually help instructors anticipate issues students might have before they even have.